How's it going? Good to see you. How's some like upstairs?
Awesome. So, as you know, long before the lighter or matches, our ancient ancestors used to be able to make fire just from sticks.
Yes.
Yeah? So, see, just like that. That's what you're looking for. Okay? So just the scratch. Is this one too big or is it too small?
Small.
It's small, right? This one might work. This one's a lot smaller, right?
Yes.
This one's going to be very good because when I go like this, look at all the spins that I get. You can use a rock, okay? You can use a rock to make the divot. Now what we're going to do is we're going to practice making smoke. So let's see if I can make it smoke, okay? When you sit down, I like to sit down like this with one of my feet on the board like that, okay? Now I'm here. Now I'm going to start making it spin. People see the smoke?
Yes.
Okay. So now let's go around. I want you to get in groups of 4 people, and you guys are going to practice making it smoke. Okay? Alright, who liked making the friction fire? Who liked playing with it? Anybody?
किस किस को फ्रिक्शन फायर लगाना पसंद आया? हाथ खड़ा करें.
Good, good. No, I did not get it on my first day. Now I'm going to show you guys how to make a water filter. Okay, water filter. No more. That's perfect. Okay. Hole right here. Now we pour the dirty water into the cup. Look at all that nasty stuff. And when you are boiling it, because you're at such high elevation, you're so high with these mountains, you should boil for over 3 minutes. It should be boiling for over 3 minutes before you kill all the bacteria, pathogens, parasites. It's very important. At lower elevations by the sea, you only have to boil for 1 minute. But up here, because you're high in the mountains, 3 minutes or more.